Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows 11 text is too small, your icons are massively oversized, or specific applications look completely blurry on your monitor, your display scaling is incorrectly configured. I will show you exactly how to reset your global scaling and fix blurry apps right now. Let's get started. First, you should attempt to reset the primary user interface scaling back to the factory defaults recommended specifically for your monitor. Open your Windows settings, ensure you're on the System tab on the left sidebar, and click on Display. Scroll down to the Scale and Layout section and look for the drop-down menu labeled Scale. Click the menu and select the percentage that has Recommended next to it, which will instantly resize your interface to match your hardware natively. Next, if you previously set a custom scaling percentage that made your screen so large you physically cannot click the Revert button, you must force a reset. Press the Windows key plus R, type Regedit into the Run box, and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. Navigate exactly to H-key Current User, Control Panel, Desktop using the left sidebar folders. Right-click the entry named Log Pixels on the right side and delete it entirely. Then double-click Win8 DPI Scaling, set its value to 0, and immediately restart your PC. Finally, if Windows itself looks perfectly fine, but one specific older application is blurry or incorrectly sized, you can override its individual scaling behavior. Right-click on the desktop shortcut or executable file of the problematic application and select Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab at the top and click the button near the bottom labeled Change High DPI Settings. Check the box for Override High DPI Scaling Behavior, change the drop-down menu to System Enhanced, and click OK to apply the targeted fix. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.